Third chapter, maths. From this chapter, in board exam, they are asking 1 mark question 1, 3 marks question 1, 5 marks question 1. Total 8 marks. So, this is the weightage of the maths test. First, you see the definition. What is the definition of the matrix? Matrix is the rectangular array of elements. The rectangular array of elements is called matrix. Otherwise, the elements are functions. The elements are functions if you are arranging in some rows and columns. Then it is called matrix. For example, you see A, B, C, D, 4 elements is there. A, B, C, D, 4 elements. 4 alphabets is there. I am arranged in 2 rows and 2 columns. Otherwise, I will arrange like A, B, C, single row. Otherwise, I will arrange like this, single column. This is called one of the matrix. Otherwise, we see X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. This is also one of the matrix. Here, how many rows are in? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. Row, how they are counting row? Left to right. Left to right is called row. And top to bottom is called column. Right? How many rows is there? 2 rows in this. First row, second row. How many columns? The first column, second column. Okay? So the elements in matrix, the elements generally, the elements we are denoted by small letters. The elements we are denoted by small letters. And the matrices we denoted by capital letters. Okay? The matrices are denoted by capital letters like capital A, capital B, capital C, capital E. Like this we are. The elements are denoted by small letters. Otherwise, you see P is the one of the matrix. 2 plus 3i, 4, 5 plus 6i. This is also one of the matrix. Here some real numbers is there, some complex numbers also is there. This is also called one of the matrix. You see one more matrix, Q is equals to x square plus 1 sin x, next to cos x. This is also one of the matrix. Here x square plus 1 is the algebraic function. Sin x, cos x is the trigonometric function. X also algebraic function. That means in matrix the elements we are written as alphabets or numbers, numbers in the numbers, real numbers, complex numbers. Otherwise functions also we are writing. This is the definition of the matrix. Okay. Next, order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. How we are defining order of the matrix? Yes. A matrix having m rows. A matrix having m rows and n columns. A matrix having m rows and n columns. Then the order of the matrix we denoted as m cross n or m by n. M cross n or m by n. You see, by example, you see, A is equals to what I written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I written. What is the order of this matrix? How many rows is there? So this is the first row, this is the second row. 2 rows is there. First you write the rows. Then columns. How many columns? This is the first column, second column, third column. This is the third column. So 2 rows, 3 columns is there. This is the matrix A of order 2 cross 3. You see one more matrix, B is equals to x square plus 1, 3x, 5, 7, 8, 9x, next to x plus 3, 5x plus 4, 8. This is the one of the matrix. Here how many rows is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And the columns, how many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Right? This one denotes the order of the matrix. You see how we are writing the element position. How we are writing the element position in the matrices. Simple. This one present in first row, second, first column. First row, first column. What about 5? In this matrix 5. 5 present in which row, which column? 5 present in first, second row. This is the first row now. This second row. Second row, second column. Second row, second column element is 5. So, I am writing one of the matrix, you see. This is the matrix. A11. A11 means first row, first column element. Next to A12, dash dash A1, J and writing. Next to A21, A22, dash dash A2J, dash dash A, here A, M you write. 1N, 2N, dash dash A, M1, AM2, dash dash AMN. This order of the matrix is M cross N. You see now what I am writing. This is the element position I am writing. The suffixes denotes the position of the element, right? So this element present in first row, first column. This one present in first row, second column. Dash dash. I am taking M rows, N columns. This is the first column. This is the second column. This is the dash dash up to how many columns we have? N columns. So 1 N. First row, nth column. Next to 2 1. First, second row, first column. Second row, second column. Next dash dash. Second row, nth column. Dash dash. How many rows we taken? M rows. So A M1, A M2, dash dash A N. Simply, otherwise, this one, simply we are writing, if it is matrix A is equals to Aij, M cross N, we are writing. This is the, simply we are writing, this is A equals to Aij, M cross N. This is the order of the matrix. Okay. See now, if the order of the matrix A is M cross N, then the number of the elements, in A is equals to M into N. You remember this point. For example, you see A is equals to P, Q, R, S, T, U, like this. One matrix is there. Small this one of the matrix is there. P, Q, R, S, T, U, you write it. This is the one of the matrix. What is the order of this matrix? This matrix having 2 rows, 3 columns. So how many elements? The number of the elements is equals to 2 into 3, 6 elements. You count this. How many elements is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. So that means order of the matrix is M cross N. The number of the elements in that matrix is M into N. You remember this point. Next, based on this, we have one problem. See now problem. If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible order it can have? So what we given? A matrix having 8 elements. Number of elements how many? 8 elements. So what are the possible orders they are asking? What are the possible order of the matrices they are asking? You see, that means is nothing but the product of natural integers. The product of positive integers is equals to 8. Those are possible orders. You see now, first one, 1 into 8. 1 into 8 is equals to 8. So this is the one of the possible order of the matrix. Otherwise, 8 into 1 also. 8 into 1 also 8. Next to 2 into 4, 4 into 2. Next to, what are the possibilities? These are only possibilities. The possibility of the order of the matrices are 1 into 8, 1 cross 8, 8 cross 1, 2 cross 4, 4 cross 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij. Aij is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of I minus 3j. I minus 3j. You see, what we need to find? We need to construct a matrix of order 3 cross 2, whose elements are Aij is equals to half into modulus of I minus 3j. So you see, let now matrix A of order 3 cross 2. 3 cross 2 means 3 rows, 2 columns. You see now A11, next to A1, first row, next to A21, A22, A31, A32. This is the order of the matrix. This is the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix 3 cross 2, right? So these A11, A12, A1, these values we need to find. You see now A11 is equals to Aij is equals to half into I minus 3j anywhere. Just in place of I, you substitute 1. In place of j, you substitute 1. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus I in place of I 1 minus 3 into in place of j is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 mod. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3. Modulus of 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. Minus 2. 2 is get cancelled. Modulus of minus 1 is equals to 1. Next to, similarly you find A12. A12 is equals to 1 by 2 into I in place of I 1, 3 into in place of j 2. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 6. This is equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is equals to 5. This is equals to 5 by 2 A12 value. Similarly, you find A21. A21 is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 mod. 1 by 2 into minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is equals to 1. 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. A21 value. Similarly, you find A22. A22 is equals to what? A22 is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 6. This is 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 4. 2 2s are. Modulus of minus 2 is equals to 2. So this is A12 is equals to 2. Next, similarly, you find A31. A31. A31 is equals to what? 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 1. In place of I equals to 3. In place of j is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 value 0. Next, similarly, you find A32. 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into mod 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is equals to minus 6 minus 3. Modulus of minus 3, 3. 3 into 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Therefore, the matrix A32 matrix. Therefore, A is equals to A11 value is 1. A12 value is 5 by 2. Next to A21 value is 1 by 2. A22 value is 2. A31 value is 0. A32 value is 3 by 2. So this is the matrix A. This is our required matrix. This is our required matrix. This is the process to find the matrix order of 3 cross 2 such that Aij is equals to 1 by 2 into I minus 3j. See now types of matrices. Types of matrices. First one column matrix. First one column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix. Definition: a matrix is said to be column matrix if it is have only one column. If it is has only one column, then it is called column matrix. Example, you see A is equals to A, B, C is the one of the column matrix. B is equals to 1, 2 is the one of the column matrix. C is equals to 1, 5, 6, 7 is the one of the column matrix. Here, what is the order of this matrix? How many rows we have? 3 rows. First row, second row, third row. 3 rows, 1 column. Here, 2 rows, 1 column. Here, 4 rows, 1 column. This is called column matrix. Now you see row matrix. Row matrix means but if a matrix having only one row, then it is called row matrix. You see one example, A is equals to ABC, only one row. B is equals to X, Y, Z, K. Next to C is equals to 1, 2. This is the one of the row matrix. You see this order is equals to 1 cross 3. 1 row, 3 columns. Here 1 cross 4. 1 row, 4 columns. Here 1 cross 2. 1 row, 2 columns. So this is the row matrix. Okay. Next, coming to square matrix. Square matrix, you see, a matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows is equals to number of columns. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. Or a matrix A equal to Aij M cross N is said to be square matrix if M is equals to N. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. Then it is called square matrix. You see one example. A is equals to A, B, C. This is the 2 rows, 2 columns. This is the one of the square matrix. B is equals to 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3. This is the one of the square matrix of order 3 cross 3. The square matrix simply we called the square matrix of order 2. Order 2, nothing but 2 cross 2. Square matrix we are saying no. So that the square matrix of order 2, nothing but a square matrix having 2 rows, 2 columns. The square matrix of order 3, that means a square matrix having 3 rows, 3 columns. Like that we are saying that square matrix. Now diagonal matrix. The definition of diagonal matrix is a square matrix A is equals to Aij n cross n only now. N cross n only. Because it is the square matrix of order n. Is said to be diagonal matrix. Is said to be diagonal matrix if Aij is equals to 0 for I is not equals to j. Aij is equals to 0 for I not equal to j. That means you see, except the diagonal elements. So remaining elements are equal to 0. That means the non-diagonal elements are equal to 0 and diagonal elements are not equal to 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. To see one example, A 0 0 B I written. A 0 0 B I written. So diagonal or non-diagonal elements, how we are defining? The 1 1 position, first row first column, second row second column, third row third column, fourth row fourth column. Like these elements are called diagonal matrix. You see now this one, first row first column. That means these are the diagonal matrix. First row first column, 1 1 position, 2 2 position. This is the diagonal. In this matrix, this is the diagonal, right? Because it is the 1 1 position element. This is the 2 2 position element. This is the 3 3 position element. So this is called diagonal elements. Now you see that non-diagonal elements are equal to 0 and diagonal elements are not equal to 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. Understood? What is that? Non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Diagonal elements are not equal to 0. Then it is called diagonal matrix. Next, one more matrix is seeing A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. This is also one of the diagonal matrix. Now coming to scalar matrix. Scalar matrix nothing but in diagonal elements. In diagonal matrix, so the diagonal elements are equal to each other. And non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. then it is called scalar matrix. What is that? In square matrix, non-diagonal elements are equal to 0 and diagonal elements are equal to each other, then it is called scalar matrix. You see one example. A is equals to A0 0 0 A0 0 0 A. That means all the diagonal elements are equal to A only. All the diagonal elements are equal to A only. Non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. So it is called scalar matrix. One more example you see. B is equals to 2 0 0 2. This is also one of the scalar matrix. Okay. Now coming to identity matrix. Identity matrix nothing but in diagonal matrix. In diagonal matrix, the diagonal elements are equal to 1. Diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Then it is called identity matrix. Generally, identity matrix we denoted by I. You see now I2. I2 means 2 cross 2 matrix. So diagonal elements are equal to 0. Non-diagonal elements are equal to. The diagonal elements are equal to 1. Diagonal elements are equal to 1. Non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. So it is called identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now you see ID. ID 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is also one of the identity matrix of order 3. The diagonal elements are equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. This is the one of the type of matrices, identity matrix. So these types of matrices are very important. From these types of matrices, they are asking one question for 1 mark. One mark they are asking from the definition zone. How they are asking? For example, define diagonal matrix and give one example. Define diagonal matrix, give one example. So we need to remind the definition at the same time the example also. Okay. Next definition, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. You see, two matrices A equal to Aij and B is equals to capital B is equals to Bij are said to be equal matrices. If the conditions you see A and B having same order. This is the first condition. A and B having same order, and the second one, every element in A is equal to corresponding element of B. Then A and B matrices are called equal matrices. We denote it as A is equals to B. You see one example. A is equals to what I am writing? A, B, C, D. Next, B is equals to A, C, B, D. I am writing. C is equals to A, D, C, B. I am writing. D is equals to A, B, C, I am writing. So in these four matrices, which are the equal matrices? And one more I am writing E matrices. E matrix A, B, C, D. And F matrix you see. F matrix A, B, C, D. I am writing. So which are the equal matrices? First, this order is 2 cross 2. 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 This order is 1 cross 4. This order is 4 cross 4. So these are only having same order. So these two are not having same order. So this one not equal. We cancel those. Now first condition, these four matrices are satisfied. Next, coming to second condition. Second condition what? The corresponding element, every element in A is equal to the corresponding element in B. Corresponding element means 1 position equal to 1 position, 1 position equal to 1 position, like that. You see, 1 position equals to 1 position. These A, B, C, D all are having same element in 1 position. Coming to 1 position, you see, next here B is there, here C is there, here D is there, here B is there. So these two are not equal. This 2 position element. Here B is there, here but C, here D. So B is not equal to C, B is not equal to D. These two are not equal. So and C is there, D is there. So which are equal? These two only equal. The elements, all the elements are present, but in the position, they are present in different position. Which are present in the same position, those matrices are called equal matrices. Understood? This is the equal matrices. You see one example. X, Y, 1, Z is equals to 2, 3, 1, 5. Find the X, Y, Z. Find the X, Y, Z. How you are finding the corresponding elements? So we are comparing. Here X is equals to what? 2. Here Y is equals to 3. Here 1 same only. Here Y is equals to 3. Z is equals to what? 5. So this is the method of finding the unknown values by equality of matrices. This is the process to find the matrices. Okay.